let's talk about another interesting way to make money from the federal government. Today, I am going to be talking about something really cool and super simple, the FGN Sukuk bond. Sounds like a big word, right? But don't worry. I am going to break it down as easy as ABC. Let's start with the basics. Imagine that sometimes you want to buy something really big and you need extra money. Then you ask your parents for the extra money. Even countries like Nigeria need extra money to build things as important as roads and bridges. But instead of asking one person, they ask a lot of people to pitch in, and in return, they give them a little reward. That's where FGN Sukuk bond comes in. What is FGN Sukuk bond? Let's break down that big word.